Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures.
Today we are diving into the world of gooseberries, a small, tangy fruit that packs a massive punch when it comes to nutrition. In this video, we will delve into the numerous benefits of incorporating gooseberries into your diet. So, let's get started. First off, gooseberries are low in calories but incredibly rich in essential nutrients. Just 1 cup of these tiny wonders provides a hefty dose of vitamin C, vitamin A, and manganese, all of which are crucial for boosting your immune system, improving your skin health, and aiding collagen production. Not to mention, they are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and keeping your gut happy and functioning properly. Moving on, gooseberries are an antioxidant-rich superfood. They contain vitamin C, quercetin, and various other polyphenols that combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This is crucial, as oxidative stress is linked to a myriad of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Including gooseberries in your diet is a delicious way to give your body the protection it needs. Did you know that gooseberries are also great for your heart? Studies have shown that they can reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, all while increasing the good HDL cholesterol. And thanks to their high fiber content, gooseberries can also help to reduce blood pressure and decrease the risk of stroke, keeping your heart strong and healthy. If you're on a journey to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, gooseberries are your new best friend. Their low-calorie and high-fiber content help to keep you full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Plus, they help regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those hunger spikes and crashes at bay. Gooseberries are also fantastic for your digestive system. The fiber in these berries ensures regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Let's talk about skin, shall we? Gooseberries are a boon for your skin, thanks to their high vitamin C content, which is essential for collagen production, ensuring your skin stays firm and youthful. Their anti-inflammatory properties also help in reducing acne and redness, giving you that radiant glow we all strive for. Last, but certainly not least, gooseberries are phenomenal for boosting your immune system. The vitamin C and antioxidants in these berries strengthen your immune defenses, keeping you protected against colds, flu, and other ailments. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of gooseberries. These small fruits are a true nutritional powerhouse, and incorporating them into your diet is a delicious and easy way to boost your health.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.